Xiaomi Redmi launch. This time we have the Redmi Note 8 Pro that recently launched, and we have the reviewers kit and we will be unboxing it in this video. So this is the reviewers kit of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let's open up the device. It slides out. So it's got a funky looking box. And there you go. So we have the box over here. This is the phone. These are some macro photography tools. Let's see what's inside. So these are tiny props that Redmi has given us so that we could test out the macro photography mode that's there on the Note 8 Pro. We'll check this out in a while. This is the phone. Oops. This is the phone. We'll come to this in a while again. And this is the box. Xiaomi has taken it out from the box and kept it out for us. So this is the box. At the back we can see that it has the 64 megapixel ultra high resolution camera. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G90T SoC. On the front there's a 20 megapixel AI selfie camera and the battery capacity is 4500 mAh. The other details we will be adding it in the video itself so you can have a look at it properly rather than me reading it out. So yeah, that was the box. Quickly go inside. Also, yeah, the Note 8 Pro has Alexa built in, so maybe when we boot up the device we'll know how it exactly works. This is the box. The phone isn't inside, it's outside, but here's some of the paperwork, the SIM card ejector tool, the unnecessary paperwork that you will obviously not be reading. Then we have the charger. I'm not sure how much, what's the output of it. Maybe it's there on the back. The 18 watt fast charger. So you have fast charging on the Note 8 Pro. Here's the cable, and that's all for all the contents in the box. Let's boot up the device and see how does MIUI look on this one. There you go, Redmi by Xiaomi. Let's have a look at the device, how it looks like. There's a really nice ceramic look. There's a gradient and it shines at different angles. There's the cameras. You have the fingerprint sensor over here and we have booted up. Let's set it up quickly. So we have finally managed to boot up into the Redmi Note 8 Pro. This is how the interface looks like. It's running on MIUI 10 currently, but Xiaomi will be releasing the MIUI 11 update soon. So in just a matter of weeks or just a month, you will be receiving the update as soon as you buy the device. So let's get into the system menu and check out the specs on this device. So here we go. So it's running on MIUI, as I said, it's running on the global stable ROM of MIUI 10. It has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It's running on the MediaTek G90T SoC. So this is how the camera interface on the Redmi Note 8 Pro looks like. It has a macro feature that Xiaomi is highlighting, so we'll check that out first. The macro mode allows us to take shots of objects like going really near to it. This is where you enable it. So currently it's disabled. I can enable macro photography here. You'll have an indication at the top. So these are a few objects or props that Xiaomi has given us to test out the macro mode. So let's click a few pictures. And as you can see, even if I'm going really close, I'm still in focus. You have other options as well there, like there's video, there's 2x optical zoom in video, there's ultra wide also. So those were the shots and the capabilities of the rear cameras. Let's switch to the 20 megapixel front camera and see how it looks like. You have, I'm guessing there's portrait mode as well. Yep, portrait mode is supported as well. There's one.